What's the meaning of bolt-on? Bolt-on. Bolt-on.
Bolt-on. Bolt-on. The term bolt-on is commonly used in the context of business or engineering, and refers to a component or feature that is added on to an existing system or product without significant modification or integration. The result is often a quick and easy improvement or enhancement to the original system, but may not be as effective or efficient as a fully integrated solution. Bolt-on components may also have limited compatibility and may require additional maintenance or support. Overall, bolt-on solutions can provide short-term benefits, but may not be the best long-term approach for optimizing a system or product.